Ah, ba ba ba. Lincoln Mitchell. Let's get down to something real quick here. Kill my spades game. Whipping some butt on spades. Okay. Okay, let's get down here. Let's look at this. I just wrote. Everybody was going up, and I said the 30 needs to break this before it runs up. You know, a lot of people saying it's going up. A couple of people saying it's bearish. But let's get down to what happened. If you look, like I said, on this 30 minute never broke that line. Do you see this on this Hakanishi? That is a burner candle. That candle would destroy a lot of bullish positions. You need this average price to be green. That means you have too much down pressure coming down. When you see a candle like this on a Hakanishi, I really don't train, but you know what? I really need to change that shit because everybody keep asking me about training. So, but anyway, you see this candle just popped up. You have to learn how to read these candles, this in correlation with the price. And I mean, you can use your indicators. I don't use indicators. That's me. I don't use indicators. I have nothing against indicators. Let me make that very clear for you analytical people, because when I make these videos for me to teach myself. But I allow people to make comments on my videos. So I might say something and y'all just blah, 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 blah. No, calm down. Listen to what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? So listen to exactly what I'm saying. There's nothing wrong with indicators. I don't use them because I feel that they're lagging. That's my opinion. So is a Hakanishi. I feel a Hakanishi is lagging. But just like an indicator and the Hakinishis, if you know what you're looking for in those setups, then you'll know how to get around those type of situations. Do you understand what I'm saying? You know, if you're using the RSI, right? If you're using the RSI, I don't use RSI, but if you use the RSI and you have your settings at 80/20 and you see it's at 85, look at the momentum and the structure of the candlesticks. You have to also go here and look at the candlestick structure and see what's going on. Now, what I'm looking at now is some pressure here. Some pressure here. If that breaks, the bottom will fall out. Bam. Just like that. Another one I'm looking at is this one. This one here. If this breaks, the bottom will fall out. Bam. Just like that. The bottom will fall out. This thing has tapped that line so many times, it's ridiculous. The bottom might fall out for real on this one, real bad. That thing is trying to bust. That thing is trying to bust. Now, a person's going to ask, I don't teach, like I said, and I really need to change this. So, let's get into a teaching mode real quick here. I don't teach. You're going to take a line. You're going to put that line right there. Bam! Right? You want to put it to the strongest one. Right? So, you want to do this. Take this other line. This line right here is your stop loss line. This line, I'm trying to figure out when I'm going to post this video. Let me think. Okay, while I'm talking, I think about it. I can think and talk. Trust me. This line right here is your stop loss. If it get past that, so you're risking 3 pips. Now, where is this going? That's what everybody's missing. Where is that going? Even if it breaks, that's why I do not trade breakouts. You have to know where that trade is going. If this trade breaks this line, where is it going, people? It's going somewhere. It's not going just. It's not just going up. Oh, it's going to do a breakout. To where? To where? You have to figure out where is it going if it's going to break out. And I'm trying to find it right now. Let me see if I can find where it may be going. That's a good breakout right there, boss. You got to know where that trade is going, man. You have to. You have to know where that trade is going before you jump in any trade. There. Okay, here we go. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. See, it already tapped that line. It already tapped that one. That's where it's going. Right there. Right there. Bam. That line is going to. That's where it's going. But that might take a while. Let me see if I can find another one somewhere else. Yeah, that's where it's going, people. If it breaks, if it breaks, if it breaks, that's the key. If it breaks, you can get you about 40 pips out of that trade, but you must wait for that thing to break. You cannot jump in that trade without that thing breaking. All right, let me get back to this one right here that I was, man, I forgot what these were. Dang, messing with y'all, man. Messing with you guys. Already got you. Put my setting back. This is my scanner setting. This means nothing. So, be careful. Don't try to go back and do what I'm doing because this is a scanner setting. It's certain things I just look on. I scout the 15 going into the hour. So if I can see what, I don't train once again, but let me see if I can explain this to you. I scout the 15 playing into the hour. So what I'm looking for is a setup on the 15. As soon as I see a setup on the 15, I automatically go to the hour to see if that setup is going to feed into the hour. Do you understand what I'm saying? I'm actually trading the 30 in the hour. On my other screen, which I can't slide over, I have 2-hour charts too. So I'm actually trading the hour. I'm actually trading the hour chart. Okay. But anyway, let's get back to business. What did I tell you? If that breaks, boom, it's gonna fall out, which it looks like it's about to. It looks like it's gonna fall out. The bottom's gonna bust out of that. See that candle right here. I told you that's a burner. That's a burner candle, boss. You better be careful. You got to know how to understand when you're reading your price actions and things like that. You have to learn to read that. And like I put on StockTwit, it never broke. Where is it at? Dang it. Dang. I put it, here you go, right here. 30-minute never broke. Still under 95. Needs to, and need 15 to break 97 before you can see an uptrend. You got to know this. You got to know this. You have to know this stuff, people. If you do not know this stuff, and another thing, let's use this guy right here. I don't know who this guy is. I've never seen him, never met him. But let me show you something very interesting. Do you see how he's using prices? If you're going to follow somebody who's putting prices. If you follow people that just saying an area, if you got a guy that's just saying areas, like see how this guy right here says prices, those are the type of people you need to follow. You need to follow people that have specific prices, not somebody just saying it's going up. Going where? Where is it going? You need to know this. Okay, anyway, let's get down to this. This, yeah, see there? See how that closed underneath there? You're in trouble, boss. That shit going down. That's going down. That's going down, boss. Oh, hold up. Let's see. We need a break right there. Let me see. That one already broke underneath there. That shit going down. That's going down, boss. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. That's going down. That's about to drop. That's about to drop. All right. That's it. Lincoln Mitchell. I quit. All right. Earlier in that video, what did we say? Didn't I tell you that was a burner candle? And didn't I tell you that bottom will fall out? Bam. We got some of both of these. This one I missed. I'm mad I didn't get it. My wife was behind the helm and she did a great job. She did a crazy entry on this. I mean, she got so much of this right here. It's ridiculous. So I had to step off, the co-pilot, which is me, had to let the captain drive the ship for a while. And her entry was just impeccable, man. I mean, you couldn't get a better entry than she. I think she entered at 98, somewhere around here. So she did really good on that one. But like we said, that bottom was going to drop out. See how that bottom just fell out? Boom. Just fell out. What would you tell you? Boom. Just fell out. All right. Bye.